I started recording already, and I turned my phone around, and I was recording the freaking window. Anyways, what's good, YouTube? It's your girl Jamie. It's your girl Jamie. It's your girl
Even this shit crazy.
Jamie. Yeah, so it's your girl JamieNeal shuntèl. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is JamieNeal shuntèl. Thank you for clicking on this video. It is very much appreciated. Like I said, I already started recording, but you know, I gotta start over because the camera wasn't advanced on me. So, but yeah. So as you saw by the title, we're gonna be doing a top 9 with a swoop. I'm probably gonna do my swoop on this side. So I'm probably gonna do, what is this, left part. But yeah, so first I'm just gonna start off by sectioning off my hair so I can detangle it. So I put it as, first of all, I parted it in half down the middle. And then I parted this in half. So this is 2 sections and this is still 1 section, but I'm still gonna part that in half so it can be 2 more sections. But yeah, I'm just gonna detangle this. I sprayed some water and whatchamacallit, some water and some leave-in conditioner on it so you know it can be moisturized just a tad, you know. And you're never supposed to detangle your hair while it's dry because then you'll just be breaking your hair off. I already brushed it a little bit, that's why it's like not even detangled for real right now. Yeah, I have a towel around. Oh snap! I have a towel around my shoulders because I don't want any water and junk to get on my back or my shoulders. If y'all were wondering. So this is detangled now. So now I'm just gonna braid this so it'll be out the way. Now we'll move to the back section and detangle it. Let me pin you up because you causing problems. Bro. There, hey, stay up there. This is my spray bottle, by the way. Let me move that. And if I didn't already say this, I'm looking at a mirror. If y'all were wondering what I was looking at. So I'm gonna section this junk in 2 because now I'm gonna break this up and pin it up so it can stay out the way. Okay, now we'll move on to the right side of my head. Maybe I should have washed it. Look at that clean part, y'all. Anyways, that's what I'm supposed to be doing. I forgot to tell y'all what products y'all need. Okay, this is not a very good tutorial, but y'all should still, you know, continue to watch. But yeah, I'm gonna be using Eco and maybe Gorilla Snot and maybe this edge booster. This brush, this comb, this edge brush, this brush, and using a couple hair clips and stuff. And I'm probably not gonna use this wide tooth comb. Some clips on it at the end, maybe. Just maybe. So now I'm just gonna detangle this. I look like a bum right now. Okay, I'm done. Okay, so now that my hair is completely detangled, I'm just gonna section off the part where the swoop is gonna be. It's probably not gonna be a swoop. It's gonna be like a, I don't know. Yeah, I guess you could call it a swoop. It's gonna be like a bang.
Hey, ooh, yeah, huh, hold up, not the bang, the bang.
But yeah, now I'm just gonna braid this so it'll be out the way, you know. My towel fall one more again. I know some. You should definitely shop Jamie's Beauty Blends. It's one of my old tubes. That's why it doesn't. The top is not silver. So we gotta say glossed up. Period. Not the bang. What? The bang. Yeah, I'm gonna pull this back. Free. No, not the bang. Oh no, my mirror. So I'm gonna just spray a 1-2. Just cause it's kind of dry, you know. So now that's out the way. I'm gonna just oil my scalp right here real quick though. So I shall start on the top knot. I'm gonna come on with Eco. I have 2 things Eco. I showed y'all this one, but like this, there's still some more in here, so you know I'm gonna use this. I want that gold Eco. I've never had it before. I just want to try it. But yeah, I'm just gonna start by lathering the Eco onto my hair. And as I lather, I'm also gonna brush so it'll be nice and smooth. Look at those waves, y'all. I'm telling you, I got better waves than some of these dudes out here. But we ain't gonna talk about that. My Eco, plop. Just lather it on my head again on this side. You never be too shy with the Eco, you know. All around my head. Okay, get more Eco. Y'all, should I do a video like where I'm just talking in a bitch accent like the whole time? Okay, I already brushed this. So now I just need to brush it around my whole head. Now I'm gonna get this rat tail comb and brush it too. Cause this will get all the lumps out even more and smooth it out. I'm gonna need you to get on somewhere cause you in the way. Now I'm gonna get my hard brush and just start brushing it up into the ponytail so we can make the top knot. Now I'm gonna get my ponytail holder. I'm not done yet. Now I'm gonna get some Gorilla Snot. I heard this has alcohol in it, and I like using sulfate-free products or alcohol-free products, but like, I like this stuff. But yeah, anyways, now I'm gonna put it on my hair. I'm not gonna do my edges like that, but I just want it to like, I don't want it to go straight up. I want it to have like curvage to it. I'm gonna get my hard brush and just brush it again. Slick, 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 you feel? Oh, no hairs to be sticking out. Like, we can't have that. We don't do that. We don't do that right here. Now I'm gonna grab it as tight as I can. And my freaking ponytail holder, bro. Now, again, I'm gonna grab it as tight as I can. Hopefully this one doesn't break. Because if it does, I'm gonna be highly upset. That's pretty good, or whatever. There's hair sticking up. So we're just gonna add more gel. I don't like that. Now, I'm gonna get, where's my other ponytail? Oh, I forgot it broke. Good thing I have more. I'm gonna get my hair. I'm gonna make a little extension. Period, boom. I'm brushing my hair again. Looks pretty top knotty to me. Top knotty. Now I'm gonna take this out. I should start doing Bantu now. Oh, but I'm gonna brush it. Oh my man, what do you think you're doing? What do you think you're doing? Come on now. You know what, maybe I should just use that as edges. Right, now I'm gonna just get a bunch of Gorilla Snot to put on this bang. Or swoop. Together. But no, these hairs wanna come from over there. Like, stay up there. Like, you layer the Gorilla Snot onto your hair. And then you just start brushing down with a comb. Now, in order to get the correct swoopage, you're gonna have to brush down. Stay up here. Brush down, and then pat it onto your forehead, you know. And then just start swooping with the comb. And it'll just start swooping, you know. That's not a good description. I don't know how to do it. Okay. That's not a swoop. What are you doing? So run that back, Turbo. Let me let y'all know. I probably should like this is my first time doing this hairstyle. This is my first time doing this hairstyle or whatever. And like, so maybe I shouldn't call this a tutorial. Maybe I should call this something else because yeah, that's basically a bang. That ain't no swoop. I guess you would still call this a top knot with a swoop though. Now we gotta handle this. Ma'am, you gotta move. Whoa. Yeah. I'm gonna get my gel. Slick that down. See, this is what I be talking about. That's that booty mess. That's that booty mess I be talking about. But now I'm gonna get this clip and cooperate. These clips just be doing too much. Maybe they should be like closer. Okay, now I'm gonna do this. It's full. That's not no baby hair. Them hair is grown. So go back where you supposed to be because you is grown. Okay. Now we can pull out some baby hairs. No, it's not. You know, cause why not? Why is that hair sticking up? Like, slick down. Like. I don't think they're supposed to be that far. I'm gonna put some butterfly clips on this. See? Okay.
What is that? What is that?
What is that? Like, curl up. Why are you acting different? Can't even do it because it's too short. That's good enough. That's good enough. Okay, so now I'm gonna add these blue butterfly clips. I have a bundle on my website where you can like some of these will come with it, so like y'all should definitely shop, like, period. One right there, right there, period. Wait, this is kind of a messy top knot. Hold on, I need some earrings. This don't. So I'm gonna put my scarf on it so I can set it after I finish setting it in like 5 minutes. So yeah. So I'm gonna let. Ooh, I look weird. I look weird, but it's okay. My head is long, bro.
No.
Anyways, I'll come back in like 5 to 10 minutes and show y'all the final results. Okay, so it's done setting or whatever. I'm just take this off, peel it back slowly. Oh great, I have a line on my forehead. It's okay. But that's the finished product.